Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay TikTok Shop. At ang sender natin guys ay si Owens. So bali guys, ano to rubber shoes. So titignan natin guys kung legit yung seller or hindi.
Hindi, wow.
I-unbox natin guys. Nice, karton pa lang. Okay, goods na goods. So guys, legit yung seller guys. So titignan natin maigi guys . So guys, legit si seller guys.
Paano masabi?
Maganda yung shoes na pinadala nila na rubber shoes. Tingnan natin kung tahi. Yes guys, tahi. Tsaka makapal. So guys, legit si seller guys. Thank you for watching.